Today you're going to learn a few easy greetings that will help you to say hello in French. These are vital words and phrases that every beginner should know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask, "How are you?" to keep the conversation going. Hey everyone, Danae here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest language tips right from our virtual classroom. If you're just starting to learn French and you want to learn how to say hello and goodbye, keep watching and be sure to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with more helpful French tutorials like this one.
Salutations. Ici sont les salutations. Oui, on va répéter. So we're going to go through and learn the vocabulaire. Oui. Alors, répétez bonjour. Salut. Alors, bonjour works for anyone. Salut, c'est vraiment juste pour informal. Oui. Bonsoir. Répétez au revoir. Ciao. À plus tard. À bientôt. À demain. Très bien. Reza et Sarah, I'm going to put you two together. Vous pouvez être les modèles pour tout le monde.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous?
Très bien. Et moi?
Très bien. Je m'appelle Reza. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Sarah.
Enchanté, Sarah.
Enchantée.
À
Au
bientôt.
revoir.
Au revoir.
You can have a longer conversation like that, or you can simply just say hello and goodbye. Bonjour, au revoir. Comment ça va? Répétez, comment ça va? Aussi, we could just say ça va. Répétez, ça va. Très bien. So when we have this little cédille, that's the name of the little thing on the C, la cédille, we get a sound on the C. If we don't have the cédille, we get a k sound usually for C's. Oui? So this is all works really well. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va? This is mainly for your friends if you say ça va. If you say comment allez-vous, it's formal. Oui? Alors répétez comment allez-vous? Très bien. So we could say that that's either formal or what could be another circumstance for that. So if you're talking to multiple people, y'all, you're going to use vous, or if you're talking to somebody formally, you'll use vous. Bien, alors répétez. Très bien. Bien. Ça va. Pas mal. Mal. Yeah, donc, so that'll be how you respond, and then you probably want to ask the question back, right? How are you? I'm good. You? Vous allez dire et toi? Répétez et toi? Et vous? Très bien. So we see that this ça va is versatile. It can be la question ou la réponse. So we could say ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi, ça va? Oui, ça va. So we can use it to ask the question and to answer the question. Parlez-vous français? Oui. Répétez. Parlez-vous français? Or maybe you're traveling and you have a question that you need to ask in English. Parlez-vous anglais? Et vous pouvez dire oui. Répétez oui. Un peu. Ou oui, je parle français. Je parle anglais. Oui. Or you can say je ne parle pas. Excellent. Donc, and usually if somebody says parlez-vous français and you say non, je parle pas français, they're going to know that, oh, you just said you didn't speak French in French. Alors, vous parlez français. And they're going to tell you, oh, vous parlez très bien. Oui. It's kind of on the safer side, probably in any language, to say that you don't speak it or that you don't speak it very well, and then people will be really impressed when you do speak it well. Ouais? Je ne parle pas très bien.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you found this new French vocabulary super helpful. Don't forget to click the link in the description box to access tons of free French classes where you can practice your skills even more. These are live French classes led by expert instructors like Natalie. So go ahead and click the link and get started today.